hold on. Let's show this. That's a little spoonful. Okay, so here's my spoonful.
Here's our spoonful.
He's got a little spoonful. Ah, so mine's big, his is little because he's a baby.
And
okay. Oh, this is nuts. All at once?
no.
All at once, dude.
And also we're gonna try to not look like you ate a spoonful of Carolina Reaper sauce.
Oh, don't be a wuss. I'm gonna do another spoonful.
Now it's really burning.
Oh, I took 2 spoonfuls. Should I do 3? Oh no.
I'm done. I'm done.
Give me tears.
Yeah, I do.
Where's your tears?
They're just small, small, small. Very spicy. Like it's burning my lips spicy.
My nose. I have like so much snot. Do you have snot?
No. Like a tiny, tiny, tiny bit.
Okay, it's going away now.
It's still there.
But it's not so bad.
No, like it hurts because I was licking my lips. I need to be in.
You ready for another one?
Nope.
I feel like you should be able to see the bird. The first like chip I had with it, it made me cough.
The first chip I took was I was gagging.
What is Freddie doing? Holy cow. Okay, I'm good. It's still burning, but
It's still burning.
I'm good.
Does your lips feel like they're burning?
A little bit, but I'm good.
How about we do a chip now? Okay, here you go. Here you go. Okay, okay, put the chips up at the camera.
We're masochists. Who?
No more. If we do any more chip things, just do like.
We have damaged this bottle in one sitting.
Okay.
Oh.
Chip break. Lovely chips.
My poop's gonna hurt later.
And it's gonna be diarrhea.
Maybe because I ate prunes yesterday last night. Oh, my mouth. My mouth. My mouth.
How about one of those Indian peppers? They're like 100 times spicier than habaneros.
It's high. It's like 20 something. I like the adrenaline rush.
My adrenaline rush feels like the apocalypse.
Okay. Where's my... Come on, tears.
Like it's so spicy that your tears are...
Hey, am I doing that? No. Oh. Maybe we will post it to YouTube. Yes. Yes. What's that thing called where people like eat things and talk? Mukbang. Mukbang! I'm doing a mukbang!
Double chippy, go! I am too.
And I get millions of views on YouTube for mukbanging. For mukbanging. But our mukbang's awesome because we're like sniffing and like crying and eating this stuff.
This spicy sauce feels like if you ate a little bit, it feels like a medium or small sized campfires inside your mouth.
Oh, oh my mouth.
I'm just losing it. Wait, maybe it actually is hot. Like, as in heat wise.
Are you even eating it or are you just eating the chips? You need to eat the. There you go. More.
Hey. No more mukbang for me, please. Blah 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 blah.
Do you see the
mom
heat?
Stuff.
Ow! No, not the seafood, just the tongue.
What?
It burned. It burned. Oh! My nose is red. Oh, my nose. all the kitties and the puppies. Right, Mercury? Okay. Last one.
That's good, Chip.
Ah. Nope, nope. One more. Oh, there's a seed on there. It
feels like cake. Well, it tastes like cake.
This chip is like a spoon chip. Ah. My face is so red right now. Hey, stop eating my chips. You gotta eat this also. Look how much damage. Just... This is supposedly like the hottest pepper there is.
That's like...
I was really excited. Thought I was gonna die though, but my poop is gonna be mad at me later. Say goodbye.
Bye bye, everybody.
Who's everybody?
People who's watching this.
Nobody's gonna watch it. Mukbang for life! Mukbang! Wait, mukbang! Wait, B. That looks like a D though. Mukbang! Oh, my mouth. What's the M? A, B. B, that's B. That's why it looks like a D. Duh. A, B. Mukbang!
Mukbang. Wait.
Oh.
Mukbang.
This is an M. Mukbang!
That.